Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your project resolution in Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see here, the first clip I have selected is in a 1920 by 1080 resolution. And the second clip here on my timeline on the other hand is in 4K resolution. So let's say I want to make the entire timeline in 4K. To change this, I would simply have to go to sequence, then go to sequence settings, and here you should be able to find the video. So you can change the frame size, which is your resolution. So this is the height by the width, and I'll be changing it to match this 4K resolution video. So 3840 by 2160. Now that that's done, I'm gonna click on OK here at the bottom right and press OK. So now I no longer have to scale this to 50%. I can keep it at 100% and it should be in full 4K resolution. And on the other hand, now I'm going to have to upscale or rather enlarge the 1080p videos. So this is useful if you are handling multiple video resolutions and accidentally drag and drop one, and then it changes your sequence settings for the entire project. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.